Namaste students, I am Dr. Komal Rathor, Assistant Professor, Department of Kumar Bhritya, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Students, today's topic is Annavasrotas disorders. So, students, today's in this series, Annavasrotas disorder, first disorder is Ajirna, indigestion. So, first Nidan is अद्य अशन अत्य अंबुपान विश्वासन शुष्क विरुद्ध विष्टंबी भोजन and अति गुरु अति शीत भोजन सेवन. This is the nidan of according to Ayurveda of Ajeen. So Ajeen types according to Acharya Kashyap, Amajeen, Vidagdhajeen, Shleshmajeen or Raseshajeen. 4 types of Ajeen according to Kashyap Samhita: Amajeen, Vidagdhajeen, Shleshmajeen or Raseshajeen. And the management is that Pathyashan, औषध शुंठी पिपली चित्रक अजमोदा and त्रिकटु, मूंग with दाड़िम रस, हिंगवाष्टक चूर्ण and बाल चातुर्भद्र चूर्ण. Next disorder is Atisar, diarrhea. So Nidan is according to Ashtang Hridaya, Nidan Sthan, जायन्ते अत्य अंबुपानाथ क्रश शुष्क आमिष सातम्य तिल पिष्ट विरूढ़के मध्य रुक्ष अतिमात्र अन्य अर्शोभि स्नेह विभ्रमात् क्रमेभ्यो वेगरोधश्च तद्विधे कुपितो अनिल. This is the Atisar Nidana. It means drinking of large quantity of water. Jayante Atya Ambu Panat. Crush, शुष्क आमिष असातम्य तिल पिष्ट विरुद्ध के. Unadapted food, pudding of til, sprouted grains, food which are dry and in large quantity, improper sneh therapy, form, suppression of urges, and such others are responsible for making of samprapti of Atisar. So, next is Samprapti. Samprapti of Atisara is Kupito Anila, Visra Atya Adhatu Ritva Tenev Cha Anala, Vyadhya Anu Shakrat Koshtam Purisham Dravata Nayanam Prakalpiyet Atisarya. This is the Atisar Samprapti according to Ashtang Hridaya. Ashtang Hridaya, Kupito Anila means Anila get aggravated, makes Jaliya Dhatu to move downwards and destroy Agni and enter by force into Koshta and make the faces watery and produce Atisara. Now come to the Chikitsa. Chikitsa is Ama Atisara. The child is not to take Langhana, so the Atisar in children should treat with Pachan Aushad. According to Charak Chikitsa 19. Pachan Yoga is Bal Chaturbhadra Churan, Shunthi, Ativisha, Mushta, Pipali, Indriya with Madhu, and Pathya Indra Yava Haridki Shunthi with Madhu. That is Amatisar Chikitsa. And next is Pakva Atisar Chikitsa. So Pakva Atisar is Kutaj Ghanvati, Musta Churn, Amrita Amrishth Madhya, Lodra, Bilvagra, and Priyango. So that's all about Atisara. Next is diarrhea. So diarrhea is definition. Diarrhea's definition is a passes of liquid and watery stool more than 3 times of a day. The syndrome of dysentery is characterized by the presence of blood and pus in stool, abdominal cramps. So etiology is rotavirus, enterotoxigenic E. coli, E. histolytica, giardica. And now clinical feature is watery, large quantity stool indicated diarrhea. Assess in the examination is physical sign of dehydration, nutrition state of the child, weight of the best parameters, and presence of pneumonia, otitis media, and other association infection. Laboratory investigation is stool microscopy, stool culture, and stool pH. And the management is ORT, oral rehydration therapy, assessment of dehydration, and drug therapy. So ORT is the term. ORT include oral rehydration therapy means complete ORS solution, like oral rehydration solution, salt solution with composition WHO recommended, solution made from sugar and salt, food based solution. Now second is assessment of degree of dehydration. So first is condition, no dehydration, some dehydration, and severe dehydration. So first is condition, first is no dehydration is well alert, and second is restlessness and irritability, and severe dehydration is letharginess and unconscious. Eyes is normal in no dehydration, sunken in some dehydration, and very sunken or dry is severe dehydration. Mouth and tongue is dehydration, no dehydration is moist, dry in some dehydration, and very dry in severe dehydration. So thrust, drink normally in no dehydration. Some dehydration is a thirsty and drink eagerly, and severe dehydration, drink poorly or not able to drink. Goes back quickly in no dehydration in a patient. It is the parameter of skin pinch, and some dehydration goes back slowly and goes back very slowly in severe dehydration. So that is the assessment of degree of dehydration is main is condition of eye, mouth and tongue, and thrust and skin pinch. Now drug therapy is antibiotic and antimicrobial therapy, anti-mortality agent, and anti-secretory drugs. Next is Chardi. Chardi means vomiting. So Nidan is Udano Vikrato Doshan Sarva Syu Urdhvam Syati. Udan has become abnormal, aggravated all the doshas and make them move upward and develops Chardi. So main causative factors are Am dosha and Krimi in children. Ashtang Hriday Nidan Sthan, 5th Adhyay. So now Chikitsa is Bal Chaturvad with Madhu, Pipli Chun with Madhu Grita, Trikatu Chun with Madhu and Grita, and next is Panchkol. So according to modern vomiting definition is vomiting is a coordinate motor response of the gastrointestinal and respiratory tract that result in increased salivation followed by forceful expulsion of the stomach content. And regurgitation is non-forceful, effortless expulsion of gastric content through the mouth, common in neonates and infant. So causes is main is infection, sepsis and meningitis in newborn, and infant gastroenteritis and meningitis. And anatomically atresia means pyloric stenosis and intussusception. Next is gastrointestinal means overfeed and hepatitis, appendicitis, and in renal causes, newborn is UTI and infant and child is UTI. And neurogenic is newborn is birth trauma, and infant and child increase ICP and toxic ingestion. So investigation is urine, routine and microscope, hemogram, liver function test and renal function tests have to be done. Now management is anti-emetic drugs like metoclopramide and domperidone. Metoclopramide is the important drug for infant and children. Next is Vibhanda. Vibhand is definition, decrease in frequency of bowel movement and difficult and painful passage of heart stool. So constipation may be functional or organic. Functional constipation is common cause in children during weaning, and organic is intestinal, his agangliosis, stricture, and metabolic is hypothyroidism and neuromuscular CP. And now management is increase the intake of fluid, use of high residue diet help in relieving constipation. Use of liquid paraffin may be recommended in some cases. Dulcolax rectal suppository. Dulcolax latex suppository may be used. In Ayurvedic management, Bal Chaturbhad churn with madhu, harid ki churn with madhu, and arand tel mixed with milk. Next disease is Mukhpak. Mukhpak means stomatitis. Recurrent aphthous stomatitis. Painful ulcers are variable size in oral mucosa. Etiology is unknown and the ulcer resolves spontaneously with a few days. Hepatic stomatitis present in children aged 2 to 5 years with painful vesicle that evolves into gray pseudomembranous mucus ulcer. Antiviral medications, lesions usually heal spontaneously with 10 to 14 days. And Ayurvedic management is Yashti Madhu Churn with Madhu, Amal ki Churn with Madhu, and Trifla Churn with Madhu. Next is Udarshul. Udarshul means infantile colic. Istanam Vyudraste Roti cha uttan avvibhajyate udar stabda shaitya mukh swedanam shulina. Stanyam Vyudraste means reject the feeding. Rotya means excessive crying and sleep in a supine position. Stiffness of abdomen and feeling of coldness. Perception of mouth. So main cause in children are Stanya Dushti, Ajeen and Shotha. Main vitation doshas is a Vat dosha. So the management should be depend upon Vat Shamana. Aushadh Yoga should be described according to associated complaint. Then infantile colic. Definition is infantile colic is defined as episodic of crying for more than 3 hours a day, for more than 3 days a week, for 3 weeks, often crying occur in evening. So usual onset is 6 weeks of age and etiology is unknown. In 5% cases, heavy constipation, gastroesophageal reflux diseases, and lactose intolerance. So clinical feature is excessive crying, excessive gas passing, clenching fists, and belching. So management is Bal Chaturbhadra Churan with Madhu. Next is Pravahika. So Pravahika type is Vatik, Petik, and Shleshmik, and Shonit Sambhava. According to Shushruth Uttar Tantra, chapter number 14. So Vatik, Patik, Shleshmik, and Stanya Shonit, Shonit Sambhava is a Vatik is causes shul, Patik causes daha, and Shleshmika causes kaf yukta. And Shonit Sambhava is a Shonita mixing. So Chikitsa is Vashleshmik Grahi, Deepani Aushad has to be given, Trikatu Churn, Bal Chaturbhadra Churn, Pipili Patha, Ajmoda, Shunti, and Indriyava, etc. And Dadim Ras may be used. So next is rectal prolapse, Gudabranch, that is Nidan, Pravahan Ati Sarabhyam Nirgachti Gudambarahi, Ruksh Durbal Dehasya tu Gudbransham Adishyate. Chikitsa is Swedan on the anal region, local application of Snehan on anal region, keep the prolapse portion in the actual position and put off gofna band. So Swedan should be done repeatedly. Use Mushak tail for local application and Snehpan. According to modern rectal prolapse definition is rectal prolapse is rectal prolapse definition is rectal prolapse is a externalization of fecal mucosa through the anus, and etiology is most causes of prolapse are idiopathic. The onset of often between 1 to 5 years of age. Other predisposing factor including intestinal parasites, malnutrition, diarrhea, and ulcerative colitis, meningocele, and chronic constipation. So the management is surgical treatment and linear cauterization. So hope you like that session and this is informative to you. And this is the Anvasrotas disorder according to Ayurveda and modern. So hope you like that session. And if you have any query, you can ask me next session. I will definitely resolve your problem. So that's all for now. Thank you. Thank you so much.